Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Hotmail or the Outlook application not responding errors. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the Outlook or Hotmail application, but at the middle of using the app, you notice that the application stops working or responding and you have no option but to quit the app, then there are a few ways to go about on fixing this issue. The first thing to do is to see if your application is updated to the latest version. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and then type and search for Outlook. Once you find the application, if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Just tap on the button and wait for a while until the update is completed, and when you see the open button, tap on it and see if your issue is now fixed. If it still doesn't work, then you can simply long press on the Outlook application and tap on the info button at the top right. From the application info page, tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner and then tap on the OK button to stop the app first. Then scroll down and tap on Storage. From the storage page, tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right corner and see if this fixes your issue. If it still doesn't work, then tap on Clear Data as well, and tap on the Delete button, which will delete all of your user data for the Outlook app. Once this step is completed, open up the Outlook application once again, and now your application will be running smoothly as it is supposed to without the not responding errors. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on fixing the not responding error or issues on the Outlook or the Hotmail app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.